Welcome back. At this stage, you would have successfully set up your company. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create your first job. First, we need to understand the difference between a job and a task. Within PipeApp, a job acts as a folder where the customer and property details are linked to specific tasks. A job can consist of one or several tasks. A bathroom renovation may require several visits to complete the entire job. Each task is a separate visit where a specific discipline is carried out. The first task is a site inspection and quotation, followed by stripping out of the existing bathroom. The required material is delivered to site and the builder's work is carried out. The plumber then returns to first fix all the plumbing pipes. The tiler gets to work her magic before the sanitary ware is fitted. This is followed by final testing and snagging before the project is handed over to the client. Separating each job into tasks allows for better collection and management of information. Users can clock in and out, upload pictures and provide feedback for a specific task carried out. You will never again need to struggle to sort through text messages and emails looking for information. PipeApp keeps all the information related to a task in one easily accessible place. We will add a new job for an existing client next. There are several ways to add a job to an existing client. New jobs can be added via the job folder or the client folder. Let's add a job from the calendar view. From the calendar view, select the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select Add New Job. Place your cursor on the drop-down list and select the client. Currently this organization only has one client to choose from. Should you wish to add a job to a new client, simply click on the Add New Client section. We will proceed with an existing client. Place your cursor on the drop-down list and press the spacebar. All the properties linked to the selected client will appear. Or you can start typing the address and the corresponding property will show up. You can also add a new property. Select the property and proceed to the next step. Here we can link an insurance policy to a property. We will skip this step for now and cover the insurance in depth during a separate tutorial. By default, the client contact details are used as the billing details. We will cover how to change and add alternative billing details in a separate tutorial. Let's proceed to the next step. We successfully created a job. Now we can add a task. Here we assign a technician to the task via the drop-down menu. Schedule the task date. Select a start time and set the duration of the task. We can assign a task type. Currently we only have 2 task types loaded. You can add more task types via the business profile as seen in the first tutorial. You can assign more than one task type. This would come into play when a technician may be required to perform several small tasks during a single visit. Toggling the task to urgent places an icon on the calendar showing a critical task. Users can access the indicated tasks via the job filter. Next we add the appointment confirmation status. There are 5 preset appointment statuses: unconfirmed, confirmed, in progress, completed and cancelled. Similar to the appointment status, the invoice statuses are also preset. There are 5 invoice statuses: pending, invoiced, paid, not required and account holder. You can add task-specific notes here. These notes are beneficial to the technician. The notes act as a guideline as to what is required at the property. That's all the information required to assign a technician to a task. Once you are satisfied with the information entered, please proceed saving the details. Congratulations, you created your first job and assigned a technician to a task. You can edit the job details, such as entering a custom name. Let's have a look at the task we created. From the calendar, click on the task for a quick overview. For more details, click to expand further. In this view, you can see all the details related to a task. You can access the property, client, and job folder together with the billing and insurance details. You can add several tasks to the job. Similar to the way jobs are assigned, tasks can be added via the job folder and the calendar. Please ensure to add the rest of your team. This can be done via the team folder, accessible from the top menu. You can add user roles and task types via the business profile editor as explored in the first tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will explore adding and editing billing details, insurance policies, and claims. We will also show you how to copy and book after-hours tasks. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you require additional information, please contact our support team. You can select your next tutorial in the comments section below.